ChatGPT not only excels at translating natural language text and languages, but it also handles code translation across different programming languages. By providing an appropriate initialization prompt that describes the desired translation, ChatGPT can swiftly generate converted code with exceptional accuracy within seconds. Hello everyone. ChatGPT can simplify the code conversion process. By providing your existing code and specifying the desired programming language, it can generate the equivalent code in the target language, saving you the time and effort of manual conversion. ChatGPT has demonstrated remarkable accuracy in handling translation tasks, surpassing expectations. While Google Translate has been long preferred tool for multilingual translation, recent studies indicate that ChatGPT can compete favorably with commercial translation products for high-resource European language as well. What sets ChatGPT apart as a translator is its versatility. It not only excels at translating natural language text, but also handles code translation across different programming languages. By providing an appropriate initialization prompt that describes the desired translation, ChatGPT can swiftly generate converted code with exceptional accuracy within seconds. Given the similarities among various programming languages, providing context through the prompt is crucial for successful code translation, as it is for any other functionality. This prompt is going to act as a guide for code translator, clearly specifying the type of code being translated and enabling a smooth translation process. Let's check it out with a simple example. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends hoping to learn ChatGPT. Also, do let us know in the comments if you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for more information, and we will be happy to incorporate it in the next video. I'm going to give it a code on Python for a very simple number game. Let's ask ChatGPT, please translate the following Python code into JavaScript. And I'm just copy pasting the code. Let's see what it has given me. It has given me a proper indented and commented code which says it's a number game, generate a random number, welcome to the number game, can you guess the number? It has also added all the conditions given in the Python code, and it has called the function for the game to start. It has also given me a note that in JavaScript, parseInt is used to read input from the user via browser's prompt dialog. Also, console.log is used to print to display output of the console. So this is an amazing response because if I am not aware of how JavaScript works, I am going to have doubts on what parseInt does and what console.log does. By the way, if you want to learn about generative AI in far more depth and detail than what I'm covering here, we have a lot of courses of AI and ML from top universities in India and the world. Link is pinned in the comments. Go check it out. It has given me the explanation automatically, but in case I need more explanation on it, I can just simply ask that what does the parseInt does in this code. It is giving me a very detailed answer on telling me how it works. The prompt function is used to display. The value entered by the user is returned as a string. The parseInt function takes the string as an argument and parses it into an integer. If the string can be converted into integer, it returns the integer value. If it cannot, then it returns not a number. In the context of number guessing game, parseInt is used to read the player's guess from the user input and convert it into an integer so it can be compared with the secret number generated by the game. As you can see, this is a very good way of learning a new programming language as well, in case I am not aware of it. As a language model, ChatGPT may produce some errors in the code. Right now, I am not able to spot any. I don't think there are any. But please make sure to verify and run the code before using it anywhere important.